There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube. What do you call it? Managed to get a fridge door and a fridge body to take apart. And one of the things I keep is pieces of glass, because in my spare time I did a toy show, and I was selling. We have a business and we buy old toys, and people ask us. I was going to flea markets and stuff in the summer, and sometimes I pick up old toys, and I have a lot of old shit I want to sell. And my store is decorated in like antiques on the top, kind of like Cracker Barrel. So we put in a couple of display cases and to sell old toys. And every year, a friend of mine, I guess it's a friend of mine, what do you call it? There are two people I know have they put on little toy expos, Comic Cons, whatever. And so I decided to be a vendor in one year, and I think a vendor the other year, and I think I missed a year. But when I was a vendor, I needed a display case. And what I came up with was I kept a bunch of fridge glasses, because they're pretty strong. I mean, I just dropped this on the concrete, didn't break. It's probably going to explode on me now. So I don't know if it's high pressure glass or tempered or what it is, but over there somewhere on the floor, actually, I took some scrap wood, it was a sheet of plywood, some little pieces for edging, ripped a couple of pieces on my, table saw, and then managed to use my router, which wouldn't stay, kind of jerry-rigged it, and made a little I don't know, anyway, I jerry-rigged it, and I used a whole lot of Gorilla Glue, and put two hinges on it from scrap stuff. And it just so happened I had a nice little display case. So I want to make like one or two more, because if this stupid COVID crap ever goes away, I'd like to have at least two or three, and then I might just, after I'm done, I'll just sell them off, or just give them away, because I have a ton of scrap wood. They're easy to make, takes two hinges and a latch, and I have enough scrap pine that I could probably make 25 of them. And it took me 20 minutes to make the bottom, and I think 2 days for the glue to dry. So it wasn't that complicated, and it was fun. Plus, it was a great way to to do a retail display, and you get a free piece of glass, which, who knows, might want to make a little display case or something. The place where I got the glass from was from the inside of a refrigerator. It's all the refrigerator shelves. I don't know if I can cut this myself. I don't know. I have about 4 or 5. Sometimes you get like 6 pieces of glass. They're all the same, and you could make some. So it's a good little tip. Just keep some old refrigerator shelf glass. Anyway, like, subscribe, join, blah, blah, blah. You know the drill.